If there's one person who's been dragged on social media, it is Samke Kwela. People are finding it hard to accept why Kwela she wants to be married by Musam Saleko. First of all, she's a beautiful lady. She can get herself her man. They don't understand why she wants to put herself in a situation Saleko out of the situation in South Africa. She chose to join them Saleko. So first of all, the wives are not getting along. Musam Saleko is not respecting his wife. So some are blaming Kwela, which she is the problem. No wonder why Musam Saleko is behaving this way. So this is what Ukwela posted on her Instagram account. For the first time, Ukwela posted something from Utanda's temple. Guys, you can see these pictures are from the diary section with the caption embracing the journey with the song Ngiyamthanda umuntu wami uyasifela ngami. One thing about Ukwela, guys, you can tell that she's not turning back. She's gonna be there, guys. She's joining them because also some people are saying, oh, Taibo, what are you doing there, Kwela? You're still young, you can get yourself a man. But no, guys, Ukwela, she's in love with this man. You can see Ngelengomo ukuthi yena vela uyazifela indoda yakhe yazifela. Some even are saying, what have you seen the way Musam Saleko is dressing nowadays, guys? Ugqoka njengomjida, guys. You can see when a man is in love. The dressing code ya Musam Saleko this season, guys, it's on fire. I guess Umayene, she's right. Musam Saleko is in love. There's nothing we can do. So I guess this is a way to respond to all the haters out there with thinking, oh, Ukwela, she's walking away. No, girl, she's here to stay. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, it, so like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.